Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for engineers: how continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD, are used for SQL Server Integration Services, or SSIS, within Visual Studio, specifically leveraging the GitLab extension. First, let's briefly understand what SSIS is. It's a platform used for data integration and workflow applications. Engineers use it for data migration from one database to another. So how do we bring CI/CD into the picture? The goal of CI/CD is to automate the software release process. This improves efficiency, reduces errors, and ensures faster updates. In the context of SSIS, CI/CD can automate building, testing, and deploying integration packages. Using CI/CD approaches means that every code change made is automatically tested and an error-free version of the code is ready for deployment. Now let's consider GitLab and its integration with Visual Studio. GitLab is a web-based DevOps lifecycle tool that provides a Git repository manager which offers CI/CD capabilities. Visual Studio, the integrated development environment from Microsoft, supports plugging in various external tools, including the GitLab extension for seamless collaboration and version control. To utilize CI/CD for SSIS in Visual Studio with GitLab, engineers typically follow a series of steps. First, ensure your SSIS projects and solutions are stored within a GitLab repository. Then, install the GitLab extension within Visual Studio for streamlined project management. This extension allows for seamless code versioning, branching, and merging directly from the IDE. You set up a CI/CD pipeline in GitLab that includes steps for building the SSIS packages, running tests, and deploying them. This is usually configured in a YAML file, with stages defined for build, test, and deploy. The GitLab runner executes these stages whenever changes are pushed to the repository. During the build stage, SSIS packages are compiled. Tests are run in the test stage to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Finally, in the deploy stage, packages are sent to a designated environment ready for production use. By utilizing CI/CD with GitLab and Visual Studio, engineers can automate repetitive tasks, catch errors early, and deliver high-quality SSIS packages efficiently. This workflow not only enhances productivity, but also aligns with the modern agile development practices in engineering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into software development practices.